What's up guys, Manny here, welcome back to the channel. We have a 2019 BMW R1200 GS Adventure here, and it has been exhibiting some weird noises. Not exactly exhibiting, producing weird noises, but nothing to be really alarmed about. It's just that it's really bothersome. It has something to do with the exhaust flap servo motor, and this unit has been bugging my dad because this is his bike for the past couple of weeks. So anyway, I'll show you. So this is the bike, and just want to give you a quick tour of how it looks like. And yeah, this is for sale, by the way. And yeah, so again, it has been, you know, making these weird noises, and the noise comes from this part over here. That is the exhaust flap servo motor, and it has been bugging him for quite some time. So in this situation, this exhaust servo is useless already, because this bike is equipped with a full system exhaust, headers all the way to the muffler. This is a full system Remus, by the way, and basically there is no more exhaust flap in the pipe. So yeah, upon inspection, see, there's nothing over there. And the reason why it has that, because, well, you know, factory equipment. If you still have a stock header or a head pipe, then most likely you still have a the flap for the exhaust. If you have a slip-on, then, well, yeah, just like that. But this case is just a full system exhaust. Let's see if that noise comes out right now, because it is somewhat on and off. Like on the way here to the shop, it did not, you know, produce that noise. So right, it's on. Right, let's fire it up. There, can you hear that? Okay, it's a lot better now, because last week it was really noisy. There is a solution to this problem that you can do yourself. Me, I'm a noob in terms of being a mechanic. I can do this easily. All right, so it's a good thing that I got this. You know, this is by HealTech. It's the exhaust servo eliminator. All you have to do is take out the stock servo and then plug this in. And I'm going to show you how, because I've been searching online, YouTube, on how to install this. There was another guy, you know, bigger YouTuber, who installed something similar to this on his GSA. So I'm going to put the link in the description below on how to, you know, if you're interested in looking at that as well. So I'm going to show you how to install this. And it's actually very easy. I just read instructions. So what this does basically is that it's going to trick the ECU, the computer in the GSA, into believing that it still has a servo. And we're just going to take it out, plug this in, and we'll see. Alright, so the first step is, of course, take this bad unit out. So there are 3 screws, bolts, whatever you call them, here, here, and one over there. You're going to take them out first. Had to remove this bigger bolt, you know, totally forgot about this. It is connected to that big hole over there, which is bolted on there. You can see it. Why are you not focusing? Yeah, that hole over there. All right, so what we're gonna do now is gonna remove this. It's just gonna be this connector over here, and this connector also. Just like that. Servo motor's out. This is broken. Now let's install the servo delete thingy. Alright, so this is it. So what we're gonna do is this part over here, we're gonna plug it in to this part over here, and that should solve the problem. Alright, so let's see if this thing works. Okay. So far, no error codes or warning lights or... Okay, let's see. Wow. Right. Yeah, I know I did a bad job at, doing that. I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, let's turn it off. No noise. Amazing. And if you heard that, weird noise, I'm sure you would be annoyed as well. So if you're having a similar problem, problem with your servo motor on your GSA or BMW, get this, ES Eliminator by HealTech. Oh yeah, by the way, I almost forgot to mention that if you're from the Philippines and looking for something like this, I got it from Carscoot PH. I'm gonna put the link in the description below and an image of their Facebook page over here. Yeah, go check them out. Really cool guys, and thank you very much for the quick service and quick response also, and very fair pricing. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.